Hi, I'm Steve from Yokogawa Support. Welcome to another Quantum training video. The first configuration task for LDX is setting up the scheduled task for the LDX process. Open the task scheduler by clicking on Start, Administrative Tools, Task Scheduler. Click on the task library and then right-click on the LDX task and choose Properties. Click on the Change User or Group button and enter the name or password of the user which will be used. Click OK, and when prompted for a password, click OK again. You can now close the task scheduler. The second configuration task for LDX is setting up the linked server to the LIMS database. For this example, I will create a linked server to the local machine for demonstration purposes. First, open SQL Server Management Studio, and when prompted, click Connect to connect to the server. Expand Server Objects and right-click Linked Servers and choose New Linked Server. Provide a linked server name, for instance LIMS, and choose the SQL Server Native Client 11 from the drop-down list. In the product name and data source name, you should put the name of the physical server that LIMS is running on. And in the catalogue, provide the name of the database you're connecting to. Next, click the Security tab and choose Be Made using this security context. Now provide a login name and password that's valid on the server. Finally, click OK to create the server. And the server now appears under your linked server list. The third configuration task for LDX is updating the LIMS source query to connect to the linked server previously created. Open SQL Server Management Studio and when prompted, connect to the server. Expand Databases and QLIMS database. Expand Programmability and Stored Procedures. Now right-click on the Get LIMS Results query and choose Modify. The first task is to select the From clause and replace LIMS source with the actual link server path. The path is simply the joining of the LIMS server name, database name, and then the table name. The format is shown in the manual. If the affiliate section in LIMS is not being used, then these two sections here and here need to be commented out. Once changes have been made, you can click Execute to save the stored procedure.